Hey, what's up everybody? This is Clayton Gonsalves from Go Analytics, and today I want to show you how to connect to CSV data in Power BI. So let's head over to my laptop and I'll show you. So I've got Power BI open here, and what I'll do is I'll go to Get Data. I'll expand this down, and you'll see a variety of options here to connect to data, but the one that we're looking at today is text/CSV. So I'll just select that, and I've got my data here in the desktop. I'll just select it and click Open, and Power BI is going to do a little bit of thinking and give me a couple options here. It gives me the option to load our data or transform our data. So if you actually need to clean up your data or do any sort of data transformation, you would click that before you proceed to loading your data. But since we already have our data here, we're just going to click Load, and Power BI is going to load our data here into the model. And after it's done thinking here, we'll be able to see it in the Fields section. So here we have our data. We can expand this and we'll see our columns here, and if we were to bring that into the canvas now, we could start creating the data visualizations from this data. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you like this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more of these tutorial videos in the future.